In Washington neighborhoods where architectural character matters, homeowners are always looking for ways to elevate their property's exterior without sacrificing timeless appeal. One design feature that consistently stands out is the Palladian window. With its elegant arched top and balanced side panels, a Palladian window creates a sophisticated focal point that enhances curb appeal instantly. If you're considering an upgrade that blends classic beauty with modern performance, Palladian windows offer a striking solution. A timeless architectural statement. Palladian windows are inspired by classical European architecture and are known for their distinctive shape: a large central arched window flanked by two smaller rectangular windows. This symmetrical design adds visual height and refinement to a home's facade. In Washington, where neighborhoods feature a mix of historic, colonial, transitional, and custom-built homes, Palladian windows complement a wide range of architectural styles. They feel equally at home on traditional brick properties and updated residences with modern finishes. The result is an exterior that feels polished, intentional, and elevated. Creating a grand first impression. Curb appeal begins the moment someone sees your home from the street. Palladian windows naturally draw the eye upward, adding dimension and architectural interest. When installed above an entryway, in a front-facing living room, or as a statement feature on a two-story facade, they create a sense of grandeur. Even modest-sized homes can feel more expansive and custom-designed with the addition of this elegant window style. For Washington homeowners looking to stand out while maintaining classic design integrity, Palladian windows make a memorable first impression. Enhancing natural light and exterior balance beyond appearance, Palladian windows contribute to interior brightness, which indirectly enhances curb appeal. The large central arch allows abundant natural light to enter, creating a warm glow that is visible from the outside. The balanced proportions of a Palladian window also bring harmony to a home's exterior. The symmetrical side panels frame the arched center, creating visual balance that pairs beautifully with columns, shutters, or decorative trim. In neighborhoods where homes vary in size and style, this balanced design helps unify the overall look of your property. Increasing perceived home value. Architectural upgrades often increase a home's perceived value, and Palladian windows are widely recognized as a premium feature. Potential buyers in Washington neighborhoods often associate arched windows with custom construction and thoughtful design. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, enhancing your home's visual appeal contributes to long-term property value. It's an upgrade that benefits both current enjoyment and future resale potential. Modern performance behind classic design. While Palladian windows offer traditional charm, today's versions are built with modern materials and energy-efficient features. Homeowners can choose double or triple pane insulated glass low-E coatings to reduce heat transfer, argon gas fills for improved insulation, durable vinyl or fiberglass frames. These features help maintain indoor comfort during Washington's seasonal temperature shifts, ensuring your beautiful window performs as well as it looks. Customization for your home's character. Palladian windows can be customized to suit your specific home design. Options include grid patterns to match colonial or traditional styles, clean, gridless glass for a more modern look, frame colors that coordinate with exterior trim, decorative molding for added elegance. This flexibility allows homeowners to tailor the design while preserving the signature arched aesthetic. A statement upgrade for Washington homes. In Washington neighborhoods where charm and architectural presence matter, Palladian windows deliver both beauty and performance. They create a grand focal point, improve natural light, and enhance overall exterior harmony. If you're looking to elevate your home's curb appeal with a feature that blends timeless elegance and modern efficiency, Palladian windows are a sophisticated choice that makes a lasting impression.